Hello everyone, this is Feli, and today I want to show you guys a makeup tutorial using CLIO Pro Eye Palette Simply Pink. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with a base makeup first. And then I'm gonna contour my face with a shading stick. For the eyebrow, I'm gonna make my eyebrow a little bit curved for this look. And then I'm gonna apply shading powder on top of the contour to make it lasting longer. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm using the matte color as the base eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna mix number 5 and number 8 and apply it onto my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna apply the tan color onto the other corner of my eyes. Next, to add sparkle to the eye makeup, I'm gonna apply the 4th color by using my fingertips. I'm gonna add a little bit sparkle onto the lower lid as well. And then I'm gonna apply dark brown color onto the other feet to give depth to the eye makeup. Next, I'm gonna line my eyes with a brown pen liner. And apply a brown mascara onto my eyelashes. For the blusher, I choose a reddish tangerine color. Last, I'm gonna apply a matte dark pink color lipstick onto my lips, and the makeup is done. So this is the finished look. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!